Okay, aha m Ijeoma Francis.
Onye ebe?
How m onye Abia State.
Ka ibido n'isi ihe na-arụ, ihe ji mere aka ọrụ.
Okay. Anọ m into HK.
HK bụ onye ebe?
Which is Hookup.
Hookup.
Yes. Hookup bụ na mmadụ kpọọ gị na phone. Gị ga meet ya. Anyị na-enweta like clients na online. Ihe dịka Tinder, Badoo, WhatsApp, then Messenger, so many social media platforms. So onye ahụ fụga ebe ahụ like ya gị because anyị na-post picture, sexy picture na the platform. I post ya, the person fụga like ya gị, ọ kpọọ gị na phone, gị ga-afụ ya. Unu ga-beat the price before gị ga-afụ the person.
Iru ebe ahụ kọwara onye ahụ ugbo maka ihe anyị na-ekwu kịta dị m ka ọrụ akwụna ka ị na-akọwara ọrụ akwụna.
Something like that.
Ya bụ ọrụ ashawo.
Yes, in a modernized way.
A modernized way.
Yes. Okay.
Kedu ihe dị iche na anyị?
Ihe dị iche na ihe ndị a niile wụ hookup wụ na nke mmadụ ga-akpọ gị na phone gị ga-meet ya. Why runs girl? Enwere runs girl. Nke ahụ ndị nke ahụ ha na-akwụ na maybe la hotel, ihu front of hotel. Na maybe like ShopRite, bar. Ọ ka nke a na-akpọ ashawo, nke a na-akpọ runs girls. Yes.
Ọ dị ka nke unu bụ ndị ukwu.
Yes,
yes. Ndị gbanitere ndị gụrụ akwụkwọ.
Yes.
Kedu ihe mere iji banye na ụdị ọrụ a? Kedu ihe imekọtara o ji buzieri eke maka ọ dị ka iji emere aka ọrụ?
I could say yes.
Why?
Because oge m gachara school pụta, I'm a graduate. I finished from Abia State Polytechnic, Aba. I read accounting. So, oge m pụtara from school, ọrụ adịghị because I submitted my CV in different places, in so many firms, but yet there is no job. Nke m nwetere feeling that na nke ahụ the work I already gotten, but the manager na asị m bịa sleep with yanwa before you nyem the ọrụ. I've gone several places, yet it's still the same thing. I should pay in kind. I want I'm sure inweta the ọrụ, but I cannot do it now. Even one of my girlfriend, when I asked to go to school, na Aba, obi na Abuja. Even though me invite maga meet here na Abuja. So ebe m wetere the ọrụ na Abuja, yo kpọọ m ga the place. Oge ya enyi ya nwoke chọrọ ka m na ya dinner. Although the man promised him that no ga-enye m the job. But ọrụ na mmehie do ta. Masị ya say I cannot do it. He told me that na other people are doing it, so why can't I do it? I said I cannot do because I'm a graduate. So you don't expect me to sleep with you before you can give me a job. So I am the man as that means I am not qualified. My lota from Abuja, Batazi, Lagos. Again, Batara Lagos. One of my girlfriend being a guest lodge. Or an apartment, before of his truth, I'm not that place. Because I'm not who girls. So I was like, what is going on here? You also know about on na moruru nga lota he na emeba that na akwụ that place 10,000 naira sometimes some place but ebe m na ya no VIP and we're a section of 15,000 where the girls to the local na akwụ 10,000 where 5,000 too but ebe I know ebe ndị nke gbagotere 15,000 so
15,000 abụ n'ụbọchị
yeah mba per week.
Okay, 1 week.
I na per week, yes, every 7 days I na 15,000. So I am not there. Runa by some kaipo. You see, I don't understand. Just let's go out. I said, okay, now you're gonna club. On club on na I go side. Eban kaigara. No na that place. I know that place. So some men na bata na the club go in my man. I na begu. They will be spraying you money. So reaching there, so one man I form like him. Go on my girlfriend that's not mom. So go kpọrọ ga meet say the man has not chọka m na ya soro la. That's ego ne ka ọ ga-enye m. I was like, how much? So my girlfriend asked me, hey, I should tell him the price. That's now where from 100, 150. Iyotara na the okay na one ngeji settle for less. I was like, okay now. So my ga meet the man, was it the man? I was now what the man say for John na atom. Ma say the man, okay, 100,000. The man asked me, for what? I say for a night. Iyotara. Just okay, no problem. That's I worth the 100K. I'm sorry. So me sorry, I gonna one hotel like that. Everyone kind of daybreak, we knock like on Iyotara. So from there.
That will make you know you 100,000.
Yes, just for the night. I swear to God. Then I was like, are you serious? 100,000. Come with it just for one day. Ha! Nah, I was supposed to call the Ugolo Ebembi. So I have to pay that. I even pay her for 2 weeks. I gave her 30,000. The remaining one I have to send to my mom. Then my younger brother, my name. My nephew, let me just say my nephew, but we ain't go. So my brother went on now, so I'm the one taking care of the boy. So I'm send around because the boy in a washima. So I'm send around go area both inhaler and other things the guy needed. So from there, the next night, he gonna have bala half. So I'm just half of the money, which is he gonna do 30,000. Then transport will go out. So the next day, I am the same night. Go another club. Sometimes there's the name may exchange contact within the mud. When he came on a house, I call on a phone. I will just go and meet the person. I call UGWUMBA. So I keep on getting money. Like, then what am I looking for?
Now your man who
yes, now mom before now mom nambu selling points. No ne waste and I'm not sure. I really suffered though. I was like, "Mechana young mother for over 20,000 as in they were like,
yeah, no frustration.
so you will not understand. Yes.
What can I travel? Maka ebo when you graduate. Obuta ni mehe na na school.
I didn't do it.
Imehe no di na enwe ndi juru ko
lecturers were asking me, although I know what I'm doing. You understand? Sometimes some of my classmates and I guess definitely your lecturers got something before you mark. But more due to the kind of family I came out from. All gang which has the school serve the frustration that this life is not easy. So I have to be doing some kind of things. I see myself doing what I don't even think of doing. Not at all. Hama.
So you Hama would on Lagos?
Yes.
I
don't care. I don't care. Each one from give for me. If each gig I want my mom. I don't care. Because again no na chono, where were you? Kebi no then. Why didn't you give me a job when I was looking for a job? So now that I've been told this, you want to no. A lot. There is a lot. Though I don't enjoy it, but as long as the money is there, I have to. Like if I use my phone to chat online, maybe I'm banner Tinder, definitely I will get like 3 guys that will want. I may go for short time, maybe 1. I may go for 2 for short time, maybe 1 is daybreak. This is my 6 years. I started since 2020. I don't think I can work because of the kind of money I get every day. Work is not in my list. It's not in my agenda because I'm used to this job that I'm doing. Yes, because when I was looking for a job, where is the job? So I'm not addicted to it. So is it no. Sometimes I'm gonna somehow that I need that everyday money. I can't wait for monthly salary now. It's not possible. I'm not enjoying it, but it's because of the money. I have to endure it.
Yeah, endurance.
Yes.
No. I
can't stop you because I have responsibilities. I'm the first child, the first daughter, the only girl. We are two boys.
You know, and the buying us and I put on the back
no problem now. That's what I customer for myself. Yes.
Retirement plan. In retirement plan,
maybe when Bobla Dibera, I can stop it. Why won't I get married? For now, I've seen, but my mind are not good to get there. What I'm thinking is money. Yes, that's where my mind is.
Money. And what did you go in?
Of course. That my brother's son. I'm the one sponsoring him in school. I'm on Aziana school. My mom, her health, I'm on lekate. Although one car, one taxi, ndosana is na Bataramego. Even more correct.
You put Abuna. They go and in the water camba. No, so keke na taxi na
I don't Koramolo na my village. Just conclude though, yeah, that was last year December. Can finish here. Of course. I would never advise any of my child to do such. I will not allow my child to face what I face. So that is it. Because all dig is you. Here na hona kumuoke na abali. It's not easy. Sometimes he get magute onye nke ya hota. He get endure just because of the money. Sometimes ndị na-eme rough aga na akụ gị no. I don't pray such for my child. Of course.
Kita anyị kwuru ndị nke ha buru ibu ndị mgbadike ha buru ibu. Eche m na ụmụ nwaanyị na-achọ mgbadike buru ibu. Ya na nke obere ke nwere ihe dị iche na ha na.
Ihe dịkwa iche o. Ihe dị iche because ndị nke buru ibu toro ogologo. Ha na-eme gị ọ ga na-adụ gị na wumb. Iyotara. Why ndị nke petrol at least ọ godiri ma ọ buy inside at least ka onye mmego dịka iyotara. Nke for me I prefer ndị nke ndụkwa obere o. Iyotara because it saved me a lot of stress. But ndị nke buru ibu, Jesus, you have to endure. You have to endure, especially nwoke na abịa ọsịsọ. Iyotara. Ha, good. That's why I na-apụ anyị na-eji oil ga-eme that place ka ọ dịtụ free, ka ọ dịtụ here so that nwoke ịba ọ ga-feel the pain. Sometimes we take drugs. Yes.
Kama kwa ụmụ ọrịa a na-ebute na mmekọ nwoke na nwaanyị ogboro ole ka ibutegoro?
Never, because I use protection. Ana m emero.
Ya ụmụ nwoke niile
ichogodi nyegodi 100 million, I will not do it. Yes. Because even that protection I use, I need to go and take some things that will wash out those oil. Sometimes I take supplements, I take care of myself.
Ọ dị maka ụmụ nsogbu na-adapụta n'ọrụ na maka na m eche tata eburu ga ebi na ama echi eburu ga ụfọdụ eburu ga Ikorodu buru ga Island buru ga ebe dị etu. Kedu ụmụ nsogbu ọzọ unu na-ezute n'ọrụ a?
I na-agabiga a lot of things. A really lot of things because when big ga meet onye agboro akwọ gị ihe nara gị phone gị like emego me before. That was at Ajegule. I'm gonna meet the guy on my phone Nambia. Me routed that place. Yobia meet him. Mom routed there. Mom know him at first because I don't know him. All through online can meet this guy. So Yobia could go hotel. No there. Me na ye mecha. Or see me the 2 phone go where me call. And that phone nka gori offer. Yotara. That was the iPhone 11, just 11, not Pro Max. Yotara. So many had the phone. The boy up outside with the phone on boss. Okomogo, a phone. Njoa the reception handsome na among the guy. Yotara. So I was frustrated. Doesn't matter. Mbera kwa put outside. Doesn't matter. Be buying me go. Njibamo to Lotawa house. But I still enjoy it. Life is all about risk. Yes, it's all about risk. This our business is all about risk.
I
don't go to church. Yes. Sure, I'm not a but I have so many things I cover myself with for protection.
So many things what I'm
okay, sometimes I used to use sea salt to bait. Yes.
Okay,
exactly. Neji asar, msacha amero soji. Ma akwa all those things neji ememacho onwem so that mfo onye ojo oge metu m na ho isole ya.
No,
that is me. They said it's what you believe.
Okay. Now when you believe
it has been protecting me for 6 years now. Like I said, when I see a man. Actually, I need a calm man, a man that will love and appreciate me for who I am. Even if na man, my him name, but also, please, I want you to stop this. I will take care of you, your family, give you business. Oga, waiting at this street, they suffer. I go follow him now.
Now, I will quit the business.
Of course, because there is no gain. The only gain I'm seeing is this house, car, my mother, my nephew. Nothing much. Even almost the money, half of the money is for one area. The only thing I have is just for my supplements. Angula. Okay, because since I'm on the streets, I to be the man to cover the tef. Yes, because I don't do raw.
Mana utupu ibayano orwa ebu virgin
mba
ihe apụtara bụ na ihe a bụ amachi ụwa church mana apụtakwu etu unu na-esi emesele nsị ọ dịka gasị na ọ dịkazi unu mgbe ụfọdụ unu na nwoke nọrọ unu ọ dịka gasị na ya bụ ha atọgbu unu
for real I don't make like that though. I will just be doing it go feel like that I'm feeling because I want to me o nwere ka ọ ga-enye m ego m so m ga-pretend kwa mmewekwa the thing ka ego nwe ike gbagote mekwa ya ọfụma sị na next time ọkpọkwa gị na phone
abịa na ndị na-akpọ ọ bụ ndị nụrụ nwaanyị ka ọ bụ
ndị lụrụ nwaanyị I don't eme with small boys I do with matured men. Yes.
Ngwa ka ihe na-enye ha nwunye ha na-adịnya ha ka ihe iche na adị ha na-eji achọrọ ya
adị nne squat re ha ọfụma ịma ahịa na-atụ especially all these married men ha na-eme gị like this that place there no mele ha na like ya eziokwu ogodere me my squat you have to do it ka ha nwee ike wow you nwere ike ego gị sef a double ya times 2 imetụ ha ka mee ha ọfụma ihe na-eme before you have to do it to please them. You have to because of the money. Maka ego.
I want to go to look at nwunye mmadụ si chọta na na-eme ihe na.
I don't even call married man when at night. Oru n'ime abalị na m akpọ onye na we don't chat, we don't communicate. I said maybe onye amputa from house, maybe during daytime you chat or more chat here.
Also you ọrụ.
Yes.
No, also kuna packaging no je ka kwanye kworo wewo nke mo bu nwere otu ebe unu na-ezu afọkọrịta owu ma ọ bụ na akọkọrịta etu
ọrụ ndị gị na ha bi na my roommate enwere m roommate na ọ kwụrụ obere nwa mkpọtara from east ọ na-arụkwa the sometimes yọpụ ya nwa nke na-eme runs Oga ga sit out yotara. Koronozo with ego. Sometimes your semansi take yotara.
Now when you go ndi na agbara bo, you ndi na azu n'ọrụ.
Yes.
Ndị na nne ọma.
Not at all, but I'm on no. Maybe I feel it. Although him gwara the people that's na on our na ba. Yes.
Ọrụ nka.
Because I send the gwara the people ego.
Ego a we ga-eji eme ha ta akụchọ.
Yes.
E wonu gore tu onye bu nu sefu n'ụzọ. Dịka onye ma.
I'm a guy in an open place. I have to be.
Ya mere ndị bu nu ji ama ha.
Because I want them na akwụ n'ụzọ. Ha ga-afụ m. But nke m high class, so.
Yeah, I need love. Who do you fall in love with?
Yes, one married man like that. The man is so sweet, like the man would say, as in he can go down there, you know. Yes, so the way he knocked me, or around me are very, very well. So I have to develop that feelings, that love, despite knowing that he's married. But I name me in a coded way. So sometimes if I need money, I'm on a phone. Even without saying, when I send Remego, my rent they be on our go the house because I pull them from guest lodge. I now stayed on my own. I'm busy in camp, so the man now who got the house. Of course, no. Second wife, no. The man no intention on ekudoku basara, but they are more like him, or just like that company, but not for marriage.
Ade makere ndo modi ge enye nwa agbo na ekiri kita maka ụfọdụ chọrọ ịbanye.
No.
Ụfọdụ na-ene anya ụdị ego na ụdị etu isi eme ihe na. Kedu onye na-ene kita kedu ndo modi ori ya?
Yem na gwa ha that na ha nwa dị na nwa eme udu yem na eme because ha get regret o nwere ike ha ga-abịa because me myself I know the kind of places I go to. I don't go anyhow places. So I don't advise any girl to go into hookup. It's not right. Me, I'm doing it because of one or two things. Because of what I went through, my condition, my family, my mom, my brothers. So I don't know about them. So
I'm with
Joma Francis. I'm on Abia State.
Yeah.